Hello, welcome back to this training. In the last video, I showed you the steps you have to follow when you are doing your book research. So this video, I'm going to show you the three hot marketplace, three niche that you can write books on that are very profitable. Three niche that are very profitable that you can write books on. So it's not only on Amazon that these three niche are very popular. No matter what you are doing, if it is physical products, online products, whatever products you are selling, these three products are on the top list that people are very interested in. So the number one product that people are interested in that you can write books on Amazon is relationship. People are buying books on relationship. The second one is health, while the third one is wealth, how to make money. These three niches, I call them the evergreen market because they will continue to sell no matter what. Century to come, people will still be buying it. They were buying it last decade. This decade they are buying it. The next one they will still continue to buy it. So they are evergreen products. So I make sure I publish books on this product. They might not give you the kind of money you want at once because maybe the market is already saturated, and the second thing is people will be buying in bits. Maybe today you make one sales, next day you make another one sales, the day after you might not make any sales, then the following you might also make one sales. So but be rest assured, you put it there, it's passive income. You'll be making sales. You can publish a book today and you'll be selling it for 10 years to come. It might be one sales, but imagine making $2 profit, $3 profit, $5 profit every day on a book you've written for like 2 years ago. So that's what evergreen market is. So if you want to write on relationship, health and wealth, they are markets. On relationship, you can write on sex, marriage and dating. Those are sub-markets. If you are doing your book research, you don't do your book research on markets. You go to the sub-market and to the niches to make your book research so you can know what people are really buying. Then the health can be weight loss, dieting, curing of disease, anything health. So that is another evergreen market. No matter how long people live, we always have health issue, and we look forward to how we can cure or prevent or protect ourselves from those health issue. So people will always look for books to read on. So this is also an evergreen market that you can write on. Then wealth. People are always looking for ways to find money. Just like you, I know you're also looking for ways to make more money. So people are always looking for ways to make more money. And if you know a way people can make more money and you write a book on it, you're actually going to sell. So this is also an evergreen market. Then the next thing you look out for when you are publishing a book on Amazon are trends. What is trending at the moment? You quickly write a book on it, then you publish it on Amazon. This one delivers straight up. You can sell like 100 copies in a day because that is what is trending. If you open on time and you are one of the you are part of the top 10, top 100 that write a book on it. The market will not be saturated already. You are one of the first 100 to write a book on it, and your book is published and people are buying it. You can make like 100, 40, 50 sales in a day, and that is cool money. So trends, what are trends? What trends are what is happening at the moment? Like right now, there is there is this Russian and Ukraine war that is trending, where Russia is fighting Ukraine. It is trending. People are making books on it and they are making sales on it because people want to find out why Russia and Ukraine are fighting, what causes the fight. So you write books on it, people buy and publish it on Amazon, people buy it to make more sales. And I know during the COVID-19 period, coronavirus, where there is total lockdown, and people were looking for ways to make hand sanitizer at home, with the do it yourself way that you can do it at home to make hand sanitizer. People are looking for it. Most people produce a book on how you can make hand sanitizer at home. So just like that, they are selling just like 9 pages of books. It's not more than 9 pages. At worst, it will be 20 pages, and people are selling. Then how you can make nose cover at home. People are selling it. Those are trends. So you look for trends that is happening in the US because you are focused on the US. In the US, then you write books on it. So how you can get trend that how you can know what is trending in US, I will show you later during the book research. So if you want to produce a book, you want to write a book on Amazon, these three evergreen markets, focus on them, then trends. Those these are what you should focus on. The relationship market, health market and wealth market. Then look out for trends. This is how you can promote your book on Amazon. So next video I will show you how you can start your book research. So see you in the next video where I show you from the first step to the last step of book research. See you in the next video.